indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, heads-up display, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Take a ride in the 2017 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.